Today I have an unboxing from Supreme, Chapter 4. It came in 2 boxes. This release came out last Thursday, and I received it today, which is Tuesday. So let's take a look at the first box. This blade is... There we go. Okay. So the first package came in this Supreme white bag. And here we go. Okay, cool. So the first item is a Zippo lighter. As you can see, it says Zippo, and the back is just Zippo, and it says engraved Zippo. So that's it. Kind of whack, but whatever. Made in USA. And it includes that, whatever. So that's that. And then I got this paper tote bag. That looks very cheap. Got this sticker, Supreme with the world and all the flags. I got this sticker of this crying kid. It says Supreme. The box logo sticker. And the receipt. And then I got this, which is the bar glass. Let's take a look at how that came out. There we go. Okay, cool. So yeah, right there, it's just a bar glass. Supreme. Let's look at the other package. Alright. The other package came in this big bag. Got the receipt right here. The first item is the Windbreaker jacket in this red color. So it says Supreme right there. Yeah, it's just a red Windbreaker in size medium. Comes with the same sort of materials, same stickers. And then I got this. Check it out. Crowbar is up. See that Supreme crowbar. That's about it. Let me know what you picked up from Supreme. Like this video, comment, subscribe, and until next time, peace.